Hello, I'm Jeanette Rustic, and today I'm with Nora Shah to talk about her experience in Costa Rica on our surfing program. And this program is perfect for students who love to surf or who want to learn to surf. Hello, Nora. How are you?
Hello, great. How are you?
I'm so good and so happy to be talking to you. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm 17, and I'm a senior in high school. And last July, I went to Costa Rica with Rustic Pathways to surf.
How did you find out about Rustic Pathways?
I found it through a friend, I think. I believe they also went on a trip somewhere and they absolutely loved it and recommended it to me.
And was there a reason that you decided on Costa Rica?
Well, I mainly chose Costa Rica because of the surfing. I love surfing. And so I really wanted to go to Costa Rica and surf there. And also, it looked beautiful. The pictures and everything just really made me want to go.
How long have you been surfing?
I surf a little bit every year in France. I'm half French, so every summer I go back to France and surf there with my friends.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, a couple of years, yeah.
Like, do you remember like the first time you got on a board? Were you like younger?
I was really young. I didn't really like surfing that much because obviously when you first start out, it's not as easy as it looks. But by going every year and trying again, I learned better, like how to surf better.
And was there something that surprised you? Like, what surprised you the most about your trip?
I think it was how easy it was to make friends and to be close to the students I went with. Not only the students, but the counselors. The counselors were so nice, and we got really, really close. I mean, we were a small group, not like all the others, but yeah, we just created a little family, and it was just so fun.
I love that. And did you know anyone like going there? Did you travel with a friend?
No, no, I didn't. But actually, the two other girls that were in my group live really close to me, or relatively close, and so we stay in touch and everything.
Oh, how funny.
Mhm.
That's funny. That happens sometimes when you're traveling and then you make friends with
Yeah.
someone that lives like on the same in
Yeah.
the same city as you.
Yeah.
Would you consider yourself like an intermediate or an advanced surfer?
I guess I'm a bit more of an intermediate advanced surfer, but the other girls or the other people in my group, some of them I think hadn't surfed before, some of them had, but it just worked out well. Just everyone went out surf and surf more or less, or if they needed more help, there were the counselors there, so just worked out for everyone.
That's great. And because of those different levels, did you feel challenged? Did you still feel challenged? Like it was fun, or was it, you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Some people like went out like further in the water than others, and so obviously I was the people that were more out in the water were more challenged with their levels, and the beginners stayed more close to the shore. So yeah, everyone was challenged, I think, and everyone learned more or less. Yeah.
oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Is there like a one moment that you'll never forget?
I think it was near the last day, or I don't know. I think we were a little bit sad. It was our last surfing session, and we stayed on the beach pretty late. And there was just the prettiest sunset ever, and we took so many pictures, and just the whole sky was just red. And yeah, it was actually like the best surfing session we had. So that moment was really special.
It's a nice way to like end it all, huh? Have a
Yeah,
little like closure.
yeah, definitely.
Do you have any tips for future students going on a trip to Costa Rica for surfing?
Yeah, I would say try to talk to the locals, practice Spanish, just see how they live and make an effort to feel comfortable in your setting. Like yeah, they're really really nice and they talk a lot to you and they're happy to talk to you. And also in terms of surfing, yeah, surfing is really fun like on its own, but also the place where we were, they made boards or not made board, but they like took care of them, and it was just so cool to see the whole like surfing community. I know one of the people that helped us surf was a really great like famous-ish surfer that went on many competitions and who surfs really really well. So yeah, making an effort to know them and to go talk to them is good. Yeah,
Everyone there seems so friendly from like all the
they
pictures that we've
really are.
seen and from what we've heard from our students. It's just like a nice little
Mhm.
community.
Yeah, they were so nice.
And how has this program changed you? Has it made a positive impact in your life? Do you feel maybe more appreciative Or is there something that you learned about yourself?
Something else that I learned from it is not just like learn from being in Costa Rica, but just the whole process of traveling alone, without my parents, and meeting people over there that I had never like met before. Just made me a more experienced traveler. Also, like the whole packing thing. I definitely feel more comfortable like traveling to places I've never been to and knowing what to bring, you know. So yeah, I think I'm a better traveler, if that makes sense.
Are you okay with doing some quick fire round questions?
Absolutely.
Okay, here we go. Favorite color?
Beige.
Favorite holiday?
Probably Halloween.
Favorite season?
Summer.
Favorite animal?
Uh, Dogs and horses.
Favorite food?
Pasta.
And a show that you're watching right now?
Right now I'm watching Criminal Minds. It's really good.
Nice. Well, thank you so much, Nora, for chatting with us. I'm so
course.
happy to have met you and to have heard your story.
Thank you so much for having me.
If you'd like to spend next summer surfing in Costa Rica, then make sure to check out our travel programs in the video description, and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos.